Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at the volume of prisms. Okay, now a prism is basically a 2D shape such as a rectangle or a triangle which has had just another dimension on, so it's been elongated, I suppose if you want to say, to make it a 3D shape. So a rectangle would become a cuboid and a triangle becomes a triangular prism. Okay. Now, in order to find the volume of a prism, our formula is volume equals the cross-sectional area times by the length. Okay, now the cross-section is just this we face at the front, and then the length is just this bit, which has made the 2D shape into a 3D shape. Okay? I've got a few questions that I'm going to have a go at, and you can have a go at some yourselves. So find the volume of this prism. This is one without a calculator. So the area of a triangle is half the base times the height. So we do 5 times 4, which is 20, and then we divide that by 2. Is 10, so the area of the triangle is 10 centimeters squared. And then what we do is we just times that by the length. So we do 10 times 12, which is 120 centimeters squared. Shown below is a prism. The cross-sectional area is 21 centimeters squared, and the length is 6. So that one has already been done for us. Okay, so because the cross-sectional area is 21, we just do 21 multiplied by 6. So 21 times by 6, which equals 126 centimeters squared. Okay, nice easy one, that one. Here we have a compound shape. Okay, so we have essentially two rectangles stuck together to make an L shape. So I'm going to say that I'm going to cut it this way. Now I know that this length here is 5 and this one is 3, so this must be 15 centimeters squared. Now if this length is 5 and the whole base is 9, we must be left with 4 here. So it'd be 4 times 8, which is 32 centimeters squared. So the total area is going to be 32 plus 15, which is 47, and we times that by the length, because that's our cross-sectional area. Okay, 47 times by 10 is the length, which is 470 centimeters squared. Okay, and lastly we have a cylinder. Okay, so we need to find the area of the cross section. In this case it's going to be a circle, so we do area as pi r squared, where the radius is 3.5 centimeters. So pi times 3.5 squared, which is 38.5 centimeters squared. Now if that's my cross-sectional area, I just times that by the length, which is 11, so 38.5 times that by 11, which is 423.3 centimeters cubed. Okay. Right. Oh, right. Sorry for all these. I've just made a wee mistake. Okay, these are all in cubed. Okay, because it's all volume. Okay, so it's 120 centimeters cubed, and so forth. All right. Right. That was a nice short one for you guys. I'm just going to clarify what it says at the end. The volume will always be in centimeters cubed or meters cubed. Okay. All right. Have a nice day. Bye bye.